Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Monday, and the date is the 3rd of January 2022. All right, Habibi. When I ask you, how is the weather today? What are you going to tell me? How is the weather today?
Very cold.
Okay, very nice.
Freezing cold.
And yesterday it was what?
Cold. It was freezing cold. Windy. Freezing cold. Windy. Oh, it's raining. Yesterday, I don't have any rain. Only I have a good weather. I have cold weather. Yes, I have a cold weather, but I don't have any rain.
Okay, so when you are describing the weather, you are describing what? You are describing the atmosphere, the air around you. So when you are describing the weather, you are describing the air around you in one place at one time. This is the weather. This is the weather. Okay, Habibi. So today we're going to talk about weather. Weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy.
Page 304. Today the weather
Yes.
in Jeddah is sunny. Look, sunny.
Yes, it is sunny. Oh, so you opened the weather application. It's not sunny all the time. It's partly cloudy. Clouds are there. Today we're going to learn about clouds. Before clouds, let me tell you something. When you talk about the weather, it's the air around you. So the air is mixture of gases. There is oxygen, there's water vapor, there is a lot of other gases. All together they make the atmosphere. They make atmosphere because they are all around Earth. All around Earth. The most important gases that you can find in atmosphere is the oxygen that we need to survive, that we breathe. Also animals and other living things, they need oxygen to survive and breathe. Also there is what? There is water vapor. When water disappears from the ground, where does it go? It goes up to the atmosphere. How? Because of the sun energy. The sun energy causes the water cycle. Also, it can affect the weather. It can tell you the air, is it warm or not? It can change if there's no clouds and the sun is very shiny close, the weather will be very warm and hot, not cold at all. But if it's partly cloudy or cloudy at least.
Today cool.
Yeah, excellent. The weather today is cool. Okay, after we finish underlining this, I'm going to tell you about the different types of clouds. Different types of clouds can mean different weather. It means different condition of weather. Now, we call the Earth surrounded by layers of gases. This layer of gases is Earth atmosphere, okay? And oxygen is one of the gases in Earth's atmosphere. It's the most living thing that needs to survive. Everyone needs oxygen. Can you survive without oxygen?
No.
No. Also, water vapor is another type of gas in Earth's atmosphere. There's a lot of things, but these are the most important gases that you need to know right now. And the condition in the atmosphere can change. We said weather is what? Weather is related to the atmosphere. How is the condition of the atmosphere? Now, what is the condition of the gases today? What is the condition of the atmosphere today? Are the water vapors are too much, making clouds, or
Yes.
they are not too much, it's too sunny? So yes, they are making clouds. Now let's talk about clouds. What are clouds? There's a very huge cloud called cumulonimbus. What do we call it? Cumulonimbus.
Columbus.
We can underline it here. You can see it here. Can you see the big, huge cloud in your page 304?
Yes.
It's very huge, tall and big and very fluffy. This cumulonimbus cloud, it means that there is a thunderstorm coming because it's very huge. So once you see this cumulonimbus cloud, you think that, oh, a thunderstorm may come. I should be careful. They look like mushrooms, sometimes broccolis. Yeah, but very huge. So the cumulonimbus cloud means what? There is what? A thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
How does it look like? It's very big and huge.
Yes.
Very large. Very, very large. Okay, boys. Now let's go to the next page and see what are the other kinds of clouds. Take a look at these kinds, boys. There is cloud called cirrus. Cirrus is thin and feathery, as you can see. Take a look at cirrus. Cirrus is thin and feathery. This always or often tell you that the weather is about to change and it's cool weather. It's not really cold, not really hot, but mostly it tells you that the temperature is cold. So this is cirrus. It tells you that the temperature is cold and the weather is about to change. What about cumulus? Look at cumulus. Tell me, what about cumulus? Is it different from cirrus? Yeah, it's different. It's a little bit buffy. They are buffy at the top and they look like piles of cotton. Can you see? It looks like piles of cotton. Huh. What does it mean when you see cumulus clouds?
They look like bills of cotton.
Pile of cottons, and they usually mean it's a fair weather. I think right now, ya Abdurrahman, do you see cumulus clouds? I think it's cumulus clouds. Do you know why? Because it's fair weather. It's not really cold, not really hot, but it's really nice. And I don't think rain will come, only if you have stratus or cumulonimbus. We'll see a video about it. It's too exciting. Yes, it's really nice. So stratus, what does it mean, stratus? Stratus, they look like thin blankets, okay? And they also can mean that light rain or snow is coming when you see this one. Can you see? They are attached together more than cumulus and more than cirrus, and they are larger, and they're low in the atmosphere, not very high. They are low. But the first one I told you about, which is cumulonimbus, cumulonimbus is full of these three types. It is bigger than all of them joined together. That's why it brings thunderstorm. Okay, Habaib, if you finish, we want to watch a video about it so you can have more information and you can understand more about the types of clouds.
Miss, this is page what?
305. Do you think we are ready to go to watch the video or not yet? Okay, let's stop recording, finish underlining, and then we will watch the video. Say bye-bye to recording.
Bye-bye.